Ooh. What's going on, everyone? Uncle Jesse here. I wasn't planning on making a video for today, but I just received this Hasbro Mandalorian helmet. This is from their Black series of their Star Wars lineup of replica props. So let's get it unboxed and check it out, and I'll give you my thoughts on this wonderful, I'm sure it's a wonderful helmet. All right, I'm expecting the quality of this to be just as good as all of the other Hasbro replica props that they produce. This should hopefully be no different than any of that. It does come with some instructions here as well on how to use it, because there is a portion that you can use with some batteries to light this up. Ugh. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Wow, that is a lot more chrome than I was expecting. Wow, they did a fantastic job on the metallic finish of this helmet. Holy smokes, that is a lot better than I was expecting. As well, it does have interior detail to the helmets. That's something that Hasbro's been known to do now. Over the past few years of making their replica props, they just add that extra little bit of detail to all of their props. So one of the side ear panels pops right off, and then you can insert one AA battery in here. So insert that back in, and then I can just screw everything back together, and it should now light up. It also comes with an extra side ear cap here that you can pop off. It has the flashlight attachment for it. So let's try that out and see what it looks like. Well, I've got everything connected properly. The internal lights are lighting up correctly, but the actual, oh, there we go. Now the flashlight just kicked on. It's now working. So the flashlight on this end, let me see. Probably can't really see it that well in the video, but it is working there, and you can control that by toggling it. There's a little button on the bottom that you can toggle on and off to turn on the different light effects here. And if you want to swap this out, I probably will never have it wear this flashlight attachment to it. I'll pop this on there. And then obviously we need to see how this is gonna fit and if it fits nicely. So let's check that out. Fits really well. That is super cool. I am really dang impressed with this Mandalorian helmet from Hasbro. If you're interested, I'll have links down below. Hopefully it's links to where you can actually find it online. I purchased mine off of Hasbro's website. I believe it's gonna be over on Amazon as well. I paid $120, if I remember correctly, for this one here. Maybe it was like $130. Extremely high quality helmet. And just as a quick comparison, so you can see that against a few other Mandalorian helmets that I have, this is my all resin Mandalorian helmet that I 3D printed on the Elgu Saturn. Very close in size here to this. I still need to sand it down and finish it still. I have an FDM 3D printed Mandalorian helmet here as well. Again, very similar in size. The one from Hasbro is actually slightly larger. And then here's a resin casted Mandalorian helmet that was from Dragonborn Jedi over on Instagram that I picked up from him. And again, very, very similar in shape and size to the one from Hasbro here. But obviously, this one is finished and all nicely painted and metallic looking. Oh, and here's one more comparison between the Mandalorian and Boba Fett's helmet. Both, again, from Hasbro and part of their Black series of helmets here. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you thought about this Mandalorian helmet. If you'd be interested in picking up one for yourself, again, I'll have links down below wherever I can find links to it. Hey, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.